What's up, guys? Today I'm talking about what you want to have in your garage gym so that you can still improve your performance, but maybe you don't have access to all the equipment that you have when you're going to a gym. So I've broken down the video into 3 different parts. What are the essentials, the things that you have to have? What things are nice to have? And then lastly, what things are optional, maybe Christmas list type things. If you're new around here, guys, you guys make sure to subscribe and like this video because this is a YouTube channel to help inspire you to bring out your best performance, help you move better, and master your technique so that you can be a better athlete. Let's get straight into it. All right, guys, so we're looking at what you want to have in your garage gym. Obviously, we gotta have some form of a squat rack. The first thing, I like these guys because they take up a lot of space and I can adjust them for squats, back squats, front squats, shoulder presses, all that stuff. You can adjust them for bench press, stuff like that. So you gotta have some type of rack. I got that one there, and then I got this one over here. I don't like this one because it takes up more space, but have something to where you can squat and press off of. Obviously, you gotta have a barbell, get a barbell there, and then some plates. You don't need as much as I have. This is stuff that I've collected over the years, but have some plates, have a barbell, have a rack. Next thing, remember, I'm going over the essentials first, what you want to have into your gym. Next thing, you wanna have some dumbbells. I've got, if you're a fella, somewhere between, I recommend 35 to 50 pounds. Ladies, somewhere between 20 and 35s. This is a lighter set. Got a heavier set over there. Gotta have a pull-up bar. Gotta have a way to do compound lifts. Gotta have a way to do pull-ups. You can do all types of different stuff on there. You can hit core on the pull-up bar, all that good stuff. So we got our compound lifts. We got pulling strength here. And then you gotta have some form of cardio. Minimal equipment. You can have a jump rope, something like that, or one piece of a cardio machine. To pick one machine if you're really trying to work on your performance. Kilo, get back. Get back. This guy, the assault bike, fan bike, is the, can't lie to you. I got the assault bike, I got the echo bike. I probably would choose this one for most people. And then for more general fitness, still want to work out hard, and if I had to choose one, rowing is fantastic. Legs, back, core, all that good stuff. Those are the essentials. We got the rack, the bar, the plates, dumbbells, pull-up bar, have a foam roller, and some clips. That's the standard. You know what goes along great with all the equipment is having a solid workout program. So if you're new around here, you know that we put out content all the time. So make sure, if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to this channel and like this video because we put out stuff all the time. And if you haven't given our programming a shot yet, check out ksquaredfitness.com. Next, nice to have. So nice to haves are an actual bench. So we could put this down on the floor and we could do floor presses. So you don't have to have a bench, but it'd be nice. So you could have a bench for your presses. You could have a box for, these are nice to haves, right? So you could get a box. This serves a lot of great purposes, but there's also tons of ways to work around that. You could use a box for a while. You could do jumps here, right? You could do split squats here. You can find ways to be creative. But a box is nice because if you have a pull-up bar, maybe you can't do pull-ups yet and you want to work on some negatives, or maybe you're doing jumping pull-ups, you know, having a box opens up some nice stuff. Kettlebells are nice. So you can use dumbbells for things like kettlebells or dumbbell swings. I'm just going to grab a light one here, but you can do a lot of the same stuff. You could do a dumbbell swing here, right? You could do a goblet squat with dumbbells. You could do dumbbell snatches. More technical stuff with the kettlebell itself. That's when you get loaded up. If you had to only get one, fellas, I typically recommend Big Green, which is 20 kilograms. Ladies, typically 16 kilograms. Or if you get it from Rogue, yellow, and then green. That's when you can get more dialed in on goblet squats, kettlebell snatches, all that good stuff. I think what I meant to say earlier, the essential was having at least a jump rope. The nice to have is to have a machine, because that is gonna raise your price up a lot. So have some form of cardio. In the beginning, it could just be a jump rope. Nice to have is a machine. One other nice thing to have is a pair of rings. So you can do things like ring rows, you can do ring support where you're holding up top, ring dips, all that kind of stuff. Obviously ring rows, right? So the challenging part is putting it all together, and then one of these guys as well. We talk about this in other videos, but L-sits, tuck holds, all that stuff is a really nice, great core exercise to improve your performance. What else do we got here? Looks like that is everything that I had covered over. Optional. The last thing, that if you're really trying to get fully decked out, you can get some sandbags. Those are great for sandbag carries, sandbag squats, put it on your back, sandbag lunges, all kinds of different stuff. GHD machine. Now we're really starting to skyrocket your cart, but GHD, great for your glutes, your back rehab, all that good stuff. Vest. So I've got a Go Ruck over here, got a backpack, I got some vest, got some Olympic lifting shoes. So all kinds of stuff, crash pads, a couple of other things. I work out at 6 a.m. in the morning when it's early and neighbors don't want me dropping stuff and being loud, so I use these crash pads. I've got some, this is for handstand push-ups, for sit-ups. You can see, you can quickly add up all that stuff, but I'll put down in the description below a blog post that will have everything nice and organized so that you know exactly what are the essentials, what are the nice to haves, and then what's optional. And then I'm going to encourage you, if you're working out from home and you want to improve your performance and you want to move better and you don't know how to piece everything together, get a coach. There's plenty of good coaches out there. I've been coaching myself for over 15 years. I'd love to help you out. Click down the link below. I'll send you a link to where you can go check out all of our different training programs. I hope you guys keep training hard. See you on the other side.